Hi guys and welcome back to another video of Dil Ki Baat Tani ke saath. My name is Tanishka and today we're gonna be talking about a movie that I am currently obsessed with, Sher Shah. Guys, as you all know, I am very filmy and I think there is no surprise that I ended up watching Sher Shah. Definitely because I'm a Siddharth Malhotra fan. I've always liked him for his good looks and that chocolate boy sa nature. But Sher Shah, I think, made me love him. If I always liked him, this movie made me love him. He was amazing. His best movie till date, and this is no paid promotion, guys. Seriously, it's not. मेरे इतने ना likes and subscribers है ही नहीं कि कोई मुझे pay करे promote करने के लिए, but you all can. Give me that subscribers and followers and get me paid promotions. It's totally on you guys. Anyway, let's get to the point. Sher Shah. So guys, first things first, there are gonna be a lot of spoilers in this video. So जिन्होंने भी movie नहीं देखी है और देखना चाहते हैं, you may want to watch the movie and then come here. Otherwise, just watch this video and then watch that. Actually, yeah, watch this video then watch that because I need subscribers too. So yeah, Sher Shah, guys, for me is that Bollywood movie that has the perfect balance of romance. One of the best Bollywood love stories that I've seen. मतलब एकदम दिल को करने वाला love story. Music, amazing songs, definitely like killer songs. This movie has few songs but bang on. Humor and an amazing storyline. Okay, like beautifully scripted story. Honestly, like we all know the story of Captain Vikram Batra. At least most of us know about it. But the way it has been portrayed in this movie, it just makes you fall in love with him all over again. And I think, like I said, Siddharth Malhotra has played the role so beautifully कि मतलब प्यार ना आ जाए तो नाम बदल दो. It's perfect. Like this is not a review, just my opinion, very honestly. Some spoilers. The love story with Dimple, that is Kiara Advani, I think she's done it so beautifully. The way they get married in that Gurdwara. And the way she says, कितना फिल्मी बंदा है तू, I'm like, yeah, it's too cute. That sudden shadi that they do basically. But my personal favorite scenes from the movie, I think one which stands out without a doubt is when Vikram Batra, that Siddharth's friend, tells him, because Siddharth Malhotra was gonna change his profession, that is Vikram Batra was gonna change his profession for his love, Dimple. But that friend of his tells him that, अगर तू ऐसे करेगा ना तू खुद खुश रह पाएगा and if you're not happy eventually your relationship will not last. And I think that was so bang on. Like guys, undoubtedly Sher Shah for me is the movie of the year. I don't think I personally have seen a Bollywood movie of late that is as good as this. Like I said, it has the perfect balance of everything. The humor in the story is so well balanced. Like, of course, it's a sad story. The end is very like you'll shed a tear or two for sure, especially because of the songs, cut timing, and that end, of course, and the end credits. But like I said, it is so beautifully scripted now that even though it's a sad story, of course, like spoiler alert, he dies in the end. We know that, but it is done so beautifully. The way uska childhood dikhaya, the way you shown, like, you actually, I personally was like, was this captain really this filmy? And then I actually researched about him and he really was, guys. I wish he was still alive. Like, seriously, the respect to hai hi, because it's an army movie. And one thing I realized is when it's an army movie, to chalti hai. Like, such movies don't usually fail in Bollywood because the storyline is such that, there's a lot of pride, a lot of respect that arises. But this particular movie did not, I think for me it did not work just because of the pride and the emotions attached with it. I think it worked because, like I said, it was beautifully scripted and it was wonderfully enacted. I think Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani, and for that matter everybody, all the characters, I'm so sorry I don't know the names at the moment, but I'm gonna take character names. Like when that Jassi sir dies, it pinches so hard. Or when Siddharth Malhotra reaches home and then he decides that I want to go back on his own. I don't know, it's beautiful. So if you haven't seen that movie and you're looking for something to watch, don't think twice. जाके देखो, you will not regret it. You're gonna thank me later, trust me. मुझे तो इतना प्यार हो गया that literally I've been listening to Ranjha, Manbariya, Rata Lambiya on loop. I've, like I said, done so much research beauty movie, guys. Beauty. Definitely go and watch it if you haven't. And like I said, this is no paid promotion, but you guys can be nice and get me paid promotions. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to talk about my current obsession, Shersha. I'm highly obsessed about it, guys. मैंने पूरा हफ्ता सिर्फ इसके बारे में बात किया. I've only done research. For a change today, I did not have to struggle to find a topic because मेरे पास topic था. So yeah, kudos to that. So yeah, आज के लिए उतना ही नहीं. That's wrong Hindi. आज के लिए इतना ही. I'll see you guys next week with another video of दिल की बात तनी के साथ on Saturday and a dance with Tani video on Wednesday. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram for a lot of my filmy side reels, dance कुछ वहाँ पे बहुत है. Again, truly Tani is the handle, so yeah, follow me there as well. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until then, lots and lots of love.